Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, please click the link below and subscribe to my channel. My goal is to help get out there and teach people about finances, whether it's financial education or just sharing some of the experiences that I've been through in my investing journey and just learning about finance, I guess, in general. So check out my channel, guys. Look at some of my older videos. I really appreciate it. What we're gonna get stuck into today is we're gonna talk a little bit more about how to get rich, okay? So when we talk about this, there's going to be some big things that we're going to uncover. A lot of your prior thoughts to how you might actually become rich may get thrown out the window as we go forward. So one of the big ways that we classify people that are rich is people that are wealthy. So most commonly it's people that have a net worth of anywhere over $1 million in either assets or in a combination of assets and cash. Now, what you generally find out there is, despite those people that might earn like a really high income, those people that can accumulate like a large amount of wealth generally will have done it through two ways. One of it would be buying and holding index funds or some form of stock portfolio, and then maybe two would be some form of investment in real estate that's either appreciated in value or that they've had like a large real estate portfolio. So there is still lots of other niche ways that you can get rich. Nowadays, you can get rich doing a lot of things, but these are probably the most common ways. And maybe for you out there who may just be like an employee or working at a company or something like that, these are probably the ways that you might be able to actually increase your wealth and get up to those high levels of wealth. And anybody can do it, really. So what we're going to look at today is some of the ways that you might be able to do it. Now, there's so many things out there, especially on the internet, on social media, that are trying to attract you in to be able to spend money on and teaching you how to get rich, quote unquote, okay? And generally, these things are gonna offer you like a very high return in a short amount of time, but most commonly than not, most of these don't pan out, and the success rate among individuals is extremely low. So some of those things might include multi-level marketing schemes, day trading, which is a huge one, especially for younger people too. The amount of people that actually make money day trading is very slim, and if you do want to get into day trading, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of research, and there are much more efficient ways to make money and get wealthy. Forex trading, which is another huge one. Precious metals, investing in insurance, options trading, and everything else out there that's designed to attract you in with this possible lack of patience and be able to capitalize on that for you to spend money on courses or information or masterclasses, mastermind groups, all of this sort of stuff. Generally, the stuff that is out there that will help you to get wealthy, the information is readily available and it is not as difficult as it may seem. So one of the biggest things that we're going to take away from today is it might be more simple than you think to be able to actually create wealth. And one of the most common ones is buying and holding index funds, which just appreciate over time and just take a very broad view of the global markets, or investing in real estate and putting your money into things that are going to appreciate in value, or using leverage, which real estate has to offer too. So check out some of my videos that I've got linked above here. I'll put some up there that may help you to make your decision, and try to avoid the things that are out there that are flashy, that offer a really fast, high return in a short amount of time. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Comment below, what is your investing strategy? How do you intend to get wealthy and make yourself rich?